So this is it, the moment you have all been waiting for. Week 3 of Battle of the Stitches, which means it's time for the big reveal. Are you ready? For creators, 1 crochet stitch, unlimited creativity. And this is Battle of the Stitches. Week 3. Hey there, and welcome to the Totally Fierce Crochet channel, and welcome to week 3 of the most epic crochet showdown ever, the Battle of the Stitches. And today is the big day, the big reveal. All 4 creators will reveal what their final project is, and without any further ado, here's mine. So after the clues from last week, some of you have probably guessed it right, because my final project for the Battle of the Stitches is a beautiful raffia beach bag, market bag, boho bag. Call it as you want to, but isn't it absolutely pretty? This was like completely freestyled, crocheted, just taking some measurements from a bag that I already have, and I couldn't be happier with how this one turned out, and how also the double crunch stitch works for this kind of a project. And of course, it's quite big. You can put a lot of things in there, and of course I had to add a little heart, a little granny square heart to embellish it, because what would a boho summer beach bag be without a little bit embellishment? So what do you think of my final project for Battle of the Stitches? This beautiful raffia bag, a bag made with paper, believe it or not, and it works and it keeps its shape. Isn't that amazing? So now that you have seen my project, make sure to check out all the other creators' projects for this month of Battle of the Stitches, because the power now shifts to you at home, the viewers, because you get to decide who is going to be the winner of the Battle of the Stitches. So later today we will all share a poll post from Heather's page from Strings and Threads to our own community tab, so you can go there and click on it and then vote for your favorite Battle of the Stitches project, and the creator with the most votes will then be the winner of the Battle of the Stitches. So it's a fair game. Choose well. You only have 1 vote, so choose the project that you like the most. But of course that's not all, because you have the chance to win your favorite project for yourself. Want to know how? All you have to do is to comment under the poll post. It can be just an emoji, it can be just a hi, whatever you want to say, or you say what's your favorite project, and then you are in the drawing. And next week, when we have the big live where all 4 creators come together, and where we will also announce the winner of the Battle of the Stitches, we will also draw a winner of those who commented, because each comment means that you have an entry in the giveaway. And the best part about that, if your name was picked, you have a free choice. You can choose whatever project you like best, and the creator will send this project to you directly at home to have it. How awesome is that? So go check out all the creators' final project posts. We will all post tutorials for them. My tutorial for the raffia beach bag, tote bag, market bag, boho bag will be up in a little bit. So check that out later, and in the meantime check out all the other projects and then place your vote, and don't forget to comment so you can win whatever project you like. It can be my bag, or the project from Heather from Strings and Threads, or Sid's project from Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations, or why not pick Teresa's project from Critters Crochet. It's all up to you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my reveal and my beautiful bag. Look, we're matching even. And I will tell you more about the inspiration for this bag in the tutorial video that I'm going to film right next, because it's so warm and so nice out here, so why not film again and melt in the sun. And until then, I see you. Happy crocheting, happy watching all the reveal posts, bye! And now there's a little bit of wind. It's so warm. But the spot is quite beautiful to film. It's not the ocean, it's not the sea, unfortunately. It's like a little lake, an artificial lake in the middle of the city, close to the highway. But anyway, it works for the bag, then it works for me.